Everywhere you look online, someone's bragging about their IQ score from myiq.com, a site claiming to give the most accurate intelligence test on the internet. Ads promise instant results, scientific credibility, and even a personalized report to unlock your full potential. Sounds impressive, right? But in a world full of shady online quizzes and pay-to-see-your-score traps, one question stands out. Is myiq.com actually legit, or just another clever scam? I've tested dozens of online IQ platforms over the past few years, from academic-style tests to flashy viral ones that show up in your social media feed. I always look for three key things: question quality, transparency, and fairness in pricing. When I heard about myiq.com making waves in 2026 with claims of a scientifically validated test, I decided to try it myself. I took the test twice under different conditions, analyzed the questions, checked payment details, and compared the experience with trusted IQ assessments used by professionals. The marketing behind myiq.com revolves around three main promises. Accurate, science-based results. They say the test is created by psychologists and designed to reflect real cognitive performance. Instant, personalized feedback. You supposedly get a detailed breakdown of strengths and weaknesses right after finishing. Transparent, trustworthy service. No hidden fees, no tricks, just a simple and fair IQ evaluation. That's what they claim. But how well do those claims hold up under real testing? Test experience. Once you begin, myiq.com presents around 20 to 25 timed multiple-choice questions, covering logic, pattern recognition, memory, and spatial reasoning. The interface is clean and professional-looking, with progress bars and a timer that mimic official cognitive tests. However, the questions vary in quality. Some genuinely test reasoning, while others feel more like riddles than proper IQ challenges. Accuracy and scoring. After finishing, the site prompts you to enter your email to see your results. But here's the catch. The detailed report is locked behind a payment wall, usually around $20 to $30. You do get a basic score for free, but there's no scientific citation or verification of their methodology. Many users report receiving similar scores regardless of how carefully they answered, which raises doubts about algorithm transparency. Legitimacy and trust. While the platform looks professional, there's little public information about who actually runs it. No visible credentials, psychologist names, or affiliations with academic institutions. The privacy policy and terms exist, but they're written in generic language suggesting a commercial testing service rather than a scientific one. Still, payments are processed through secure channels, and no reports of data misuse or credit card fraud have surfaced so far, meaning it's not a scam in the financial sense, but it does exaggerate its credibility. User feedback. Online reviews are split. Some users enjoy the experience and feel motivated by the results, calling it a fun, confidence-boosting test. Others criticize the paywall, repetitive questions, and lack of transparency. A few even claim their IQ score was identical across multiple attempts, which makes accuracy questionable. Value for money. Compared to legitimate psychological assessments, which can cost hundreds, paying $20 for a quick test isn't outrageous, but calling it scientifically validated is misleading. The entertainment value is decent, the academic reliability is not. Essentially, you're buying a gamified experience rather than a true intelligence evaluation. So, is myiq.com legit? Yes, but only partially. It's a functioning, secure website offering a polished IQ quiz with instant results. It's not a scam designed to steal your data or money. However, it's not the scientifically rigorous test it claims to be. If you want a fun, curiosity-driven way to gauge your problem-solving skills or compare scores with friends, myiq.com is perfectly fine. The test runs smoothly, looks professional, and gives you a reasonably entertaining experience. But if you're seeking a real psychological IQ assessment that reflects your cognitive profile, myiq.com falls short. The questions lack consistent difficulty scaling, and there's no proof of professional validation. It's more fun quiz than formal test. In short, myiq.com isn't a scam, but it's not a certified IQ test either. It's a flashy commercial product that delivers instant gratification, not scientific accuracy. Enjoy it for fun, but don't take the number too seriously.